Kindly allow me to ask two questions. My first question is, how is spiritualism and secularism similar, and how is spiritualism different from religion? And in that same note, how can a person be spiritual but not religious? That's my first question. My second question is on theistic and atheistic traditions, and on how Buddhism is atheist and its different approach, but it was already answered, and thank you to the Honorable Monk. In that similar question, I would like to ask is, Rinpoche, please can you tell us some few points on, since most of us here are Buddhist, please can you tell us what makes us Buddhist and what makes us not a Buddhist? Thank you.
Karsa, first part, Karsa.
Secularism, spiritual spiritualism.
The exact meaning of this English word, I don't know. But usually it seems, you see, some people used to say differences, spiritual and religion. So spiritual seems to say something related with moral ethics, or self-discipline, related with mind or these things, without any belief. So religion, certain belief, certain faith, generally like that. So in any way, now today, every human being on this planet, born through mother, and basic human nature, compassionate, there. But existing our education system, not much talk about this inner value. I usually call modern education. Modern education comes from West, mainly Europe. So, you see, they have no tradition of how to tackle our emotion. Just a faith. So they, beside religion, they have faith, and then when industrialization in Europe, then we need knowledge about mathematics and eventually science on these things. So separate education institution started. So newly developed separate institution. Then their main sort of interest is material thing. Religion, the monastery, nunnery they carry. So in the past, in ancient time, education, real education center is this monastery, nunnery. So eventually, more sort of material development, then separate school or education institution started. Then their main responsibility is brain, not heart. So regarding heart, religion, take care. So that's the start of modern education. Now eventually, the modern education very much oriented about material value, not talking about inner value. So now today, a lot of human problem is lack of moral principle. So brain education, I'll say, very much combined with negative emotion, anger, jealousy, and ultimately selfish, extreme self-centered attitude. So now here we really need, whether believe God or not, whether believe next life or not, we are social animal. We really need sense of concern of others' well-being. All major religious tradition created by human being. So all religion carry the message, the human's good quality, that is human love. loving kindness. So all religion, you see, carry the message of loving kindness. And for that, use different philosophies. Some say there is God. And then what kind of God? Infinite love. So we all children of that Father, same Father. So 7 billion human beings are strictly speaking about because of the creation of God. Then we all, brothers, sisters, come from one Father, that's God. So, with that concept, seriously thinking, then impossible to kill each other. But then, so Western world supposed to believe God creator, but First World War, Second World War, too many killing. So that is big contradiction. Believe God, one Father, and that Father, infinite love. But then, God's children, ourselves, killing each other. So now, kasanda koi chot karago. So spiritual.
Spiritualism. Religion.
So now, I make the distinction. Religion is personal business. Whether believe religion or not, up to individual. And what choose, what kind of religion, different religion, this religion, that religion, that's individual personal business. Now, since we are human beings, since we are part of humanity, so we should take care about basic human value. That is human compassion, a sense of community, taking care about community. So now today we should develop a sense of concern of entire human being. We are part of human community. We should think about entire 7 billion human beings. Okay. My number one commitment, I consider I am just a human being. So try to share with other people. Basic human value is human compassion on the basis of sense of community and sense of oneness of entire 7 billion human beings. Okay. Then religion, private business. Next question? Yes?
No, look at this choice.
Second part.
Second part, nangba
For Buddhist, I usually used to telling, now we are 21st century. We Buddhists should be 21st century's Buddhist. That means some knowledge about Buddha Dharma, and through that knowledge, faith towards Buddha. That's 21st century's Buddhist. In the past, there's many Tibetan, many Chinese, and some other countries also. They themselves call Buddhist, but do not know what is the real teaching of Buddha. It's just faith. Then that is not 21st century Buddhist. One important text,
Master Haribhadra. He wrote commentaries on Abhisamaya Alankara and also on the Prajnaparamita Perfection of Wisdom Sutras. So in one of his commentaries, which is called popularly called Sputarth, he actually makes distinction between the two different types of followers. One following on reason, who are called intelligent followers, and the others are called those following on faith.
So now we should be the 어느 취지당 주단.
So we, as Buddhists today, should actually follow the former, way of following Buddhism, which is in the intelligent, how it's followed by intelligent people.
Myself, I do not believe world flat in the center, Mount Meru, and sun and moon go like that. I don't believe. The Bosuband, the younger brother of Arya Asanga, mentioned that. Then I usually, when I come across such subject I, with my respect, sorry, I don't believe. So the 통민주를 개치고 꼭죽은 남샤샤샤들이 간다 타르도 윤도 제바 무슨 또 그래서 손대가 통유 아주 지나치 정말.
Yes. So what is important for us is to be able to accept the empirical reality. Because when we talk about logic, inference, and all that, finally what we get back at is this our direct experience of things.
Frankly speaking, in the past, many Buddhist country, also the Christian country, Muslim country, I think similar, just a faith, without much investigation. So now we are 21st century. So Buddhism, particularly Nalanda tradition, the subject which can investigate infinitely. Now today, Nalanda tradition can go side by side with modern science. Some Chinese Buddhists, they describe Buddhism is very much sort of like science of mind. True. So we study, and with through study, with this fuller knowledge, then develop faith. Is the very sound. Just as my mother told that, and like that, and without much sort of also the understanding, the reason, then that's superficial and sometimes blind faith. We must then, I think, wasted our human brain. So we call analytical meditation is very important.